Hello, Ima. I hope you are fine. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Bedu. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about integers. Integers. I hope you have heard the word before, integers. Good. So what is an integer? An integer is positive and negative whole numbers. That's positive and negative whole numbers. Alright. Whole numbers. Okay. Positive and negative whole numbers. For example, 5, negative 3, 2, negative 11, negative 8, negative 7, 37. These are all integers. I hope it is clear. So mention some examples of integers on your own. Right? Good. Now, once you know about the examples of integers, we will move on quickly to do addition of integers, adding integers. The best way to understand integers is by using the number line. This will be very short. You have the middle being 0. Every number on your right is a positive number. Okay? Then every number on your left is a negative number. So it can go on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are all positive integers. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. They are all negative integers. So from the middle, that where the 0 is, if you are going to your right, it means it is positive. If you are going to your left, it means it is negative. So anytime you are moving towards your left, then know that it's going to be negative. And anytime you are moving towards your right, it means it's going to be positive. That is the rule. Okay? So we are going to look at some simple additions, and then you can take it from there. So let's say we have 5 plus negative 4. 5 plus negative 4. So if you draw your line, so you have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have 0 in the middle. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Neg 1, neg 2, neg 3, and then neg 4. Alright. So where is 5? Here is 5. So you are moving from 5. 5 plus neg 4. So it is negative. So I have to go to my left, starting from 5. So I'll start 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've gone 4 backwards. So the answer is 1. So this is equals to 1. Have you seen how it is? Alright, let's try another one. Let's say neg 2 plus 4 will give us what? So you can use the number line again. You have the middle 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Neg 1. Neg 2. Negative 3. So where is negative 2? Here, so that's the first one you see. Negative 2 plus 4. So it means you are going to your right. It's addition. So you are going to your right. So you go to your right 4 times. So I start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where I end. So the answer is 2. So the answer is positive 2. Have you seen how it is? So this is how we add simple integers using the normal line. But if you don't want to use the normal line is going to help you to understand how we add integers. How we add integers using the normal line. Now, if you don't want to use the normal line, we can use the term I have. I have means plus. Then owing means negative. Okay? So let's say 4 plus negative 7. What will be the answer? I have 4. That is 4. And I'm owing. That's the negative 7 in the bracket. I am owing 7. If I pay all the 4 that I have, what will I be left? I'll be left with some of the word negative, and that will be what? Negative 3. If you use the normal line, you get the same answer. Let's try another one. Negative 1 plus 4. So I'm owing somebody 1, but I have 4. Okay? So when I pay the person, what will I be having? I'll be having 3. Alright? Yes. These are some simple things. Now let's say I am owing 2 and I'm owing 3. Okay. Again, I am owing somebody 2 and at the same time I'm owing somebody 3. So it means that I'll be owing the 2 people how many? 5. So to owe you have negative 5. So I'll owe negative 5 because I'm owing 2 and I am owing 3. So I'll owe 5. Negative 5. Negative 5. So that is how we work it. Let's illustrate the negative 2 plus negative 3 on the normal line to make it more easier for you. So let me go to the normal line. So negative 2 plus negative 3. I want to use the normal line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. So I'll start with negative 2. That's the first one. And I'm owing negative 3. So it means it must go on. It must go on and on. So I will even pass here. So let's say, let me clean it. So it means I'll still go. Let me clean it again so that it will be very clear. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So from negative 2, and I'm owing negative 3. So it means I'm going backwards where the negative is. So I'll start 1, 2, 3. I'm going backwards. Alright? So now going backwards, I ended in what? The answer is what? Negative 5. That's the answer. So negative 2 plus negative 3, the answer is negative 5. Now, you must go over this as many times as you can. I'm going to give you some questions to solve on this. For the meantime, you can use the normal line to do it in your exercise book. Draw the normal line. You can even draw it up to 10 at the right hand side for positive and negative 1 to negative 10 on your left. So we have positive 1, the middle becomes 0. Then positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on your right. then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 on your left. Then you can be using it to solve the questions. Once you master it and you understand it now, you can use I am owing and I have. I'm owing means negative and I have means positive. Okay, so you do it several times. Play the video, play the video, play the video. You understand it, and then you do the work that I'm going to give you on your WhatsApp page. Okay, so I'll post this live chat for you, and then hopefully on Saturday, by tomorrow, I should receive the exercise on your WhatsApp, and then by Saturday we move on to subtraction of integers. Then we are moving on. Okay, all right, so bye for now. Okay.